In this video, we're computing an indefinite integral of a rational expression, and what I notice in this rational integrand is that the degree of the numerator is higher than the degree of the denominator. So we're kind of thinking maybe we'll have to use partial fractions on this thing, but if we're going to do that, we have to start by using polynomial long division because this is an improper fraction because that degree in the numerator is higher. So we'll go ahead and do polynomial long division as a first step. And we're going to put in a bunch of placeholders here. So x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x. And then we start guessing, what do we multiply x squared plus 1 by in order to build this interior part? And we'll start with x, just trying to match the highest power of x in here. And I get x cubed plus x. And then we'll subtract, and the x cubes cancel, and I end up with a negative x. So it's that simple. That negative x is our remainder. But what this means is that the original integrand turns into x plus a negative x over x squared plus 1. So we'll rewrite our integral like this. So it's the remainder divided by that original denominator. That's how you interpret a remainder. And then I'm thinking about integrating both of these pieces. And x is easy enough to integrate. That integrates to 1/2 x squared. What about x over x squared plus 1? Well, I noticed the derivative of the denominator is almost there in the numerator. I just need a factor of 2. And when I have 1 over some function multiplied by the derivative of that function, that integrates to a natural log. Of course, I can't just throw 2's around wherever I want. I have to compensate out in front. So I end up with a negative 1/2 times the integral of this piece that's already set up to use the chain rule backwards. And I get the natural log of that denominator. Notice that I didn't put absolute value bars on this because x squared plus 1 must be positive, so I just left that off. We'll tack on a plus c, and we're done. If you find the math content on Zach's Lab helpful, click on the Zach's Lab logo on the right to browse playlists and subscribe to the channel. I produce dozens of new videos per month, and subscribing is the easiest way to find new content. Thanks for watching.